Say hi, Adam.
Hi.
Andrew, she's sleeping. Say hi, Uncle Steven.
Who is?
Looking for a cell phone charger? Yep.
Hi, Mommy, I love you.
What's your little message?
Yeah. I'll call.
Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi.
Oh, I found
Say hi.
an old one for the car. Which fits her car.
Hi. Hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hello, hello.
No, it's up here.
Say oleo, oleo.
Oleo, Oleo.
Oleo, oleo.
You get your finger over something.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't.
Oh, the light.
Oh, whatever, that I don't care about.
Because your finger was glowing red.
That was the blood pump.
Say hi.
Hi.
Where are the prezzies? Derek, say hi.
Oh, hi.
Stevie, say hi.
Hi.
Say bye.
Bye. Hi, bye.
Say bye.
What are you, stupid?
Say bye.
What are you,
Say bye.
what are you, stupid?
Say bye, Mommy.
Bye.
I didn't mean bye like I'm leaving.